Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alamosa Park Elementary School in Oceanside, California. My third visit of this school year to their campus and final one for 2023-2024. Here at the home of the Hawks, and this is part of the Vista Unified School District as well. But they have this Healthy Hawk Week that's going on, and I think it really tied in well to what my message was for today for the AM, PM students and staff. And we're talking about, being healthy. Of course, we have to have the physical health, but also the mental health too, right? And so today's focus was on positivity, being your best self, and really trying to be kind to your mind, right? And so through a series of interactive examples, some stories that were very heartfelt, some inspirational music, the motivational videos as well, the students really took it to heart, what I was trying to key in on today. And, when we're talking about being our best self, having this positive attitude, that's with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives, right? And knowing that when things get tough, those are opportunities that can make us stronger, or where we can grow. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, keep your head up. And the words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down or are feeling down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And we can't play the comparison game to others. We have to know that true excellence, it's not always being the best, getting first place, winning the race, getting the highest grade. It's just about doing your best, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome. But if we put our full effort in, those positive thoughts, in here and here, we're going to get positive results usually, right? And this also means that we have to understand how important each of us are, how powerful each of us are. And that ties into this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies. The students knew right away what it meant, but I trace with the lines on my hand. The letter M, we have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M, though, stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And for those that have never been told that or need a reminder, we can be that light to their heart. And just a couple students that shared their heart with me today, saying that what I talked about really kind of hit home for them, because so many times we focus on the negativity, the negative thoughts about ourselves and beliefs that we're not good enough, we're not smart enough, we're not pretty enough, and the list goes on. If we can reverse that, start thinking more positively, if it's I'm not smart enough, it's I can do anything, right? If it's I'm not good enough, I am enough, right? That we always have the opposite. And if we can focus on that, we start to see how our life improves, because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. And we want that to be something positive, of course. But even beyond that, we're the person or people that we're going to talk to the most in our lives, and that's ourselves. So we want to be telling that, that person, us, something very positive in nature. And that I think really does fit into what they were trying to accomplish here for the Health Week, the Healthy Hawk Week here at Alamosa Park. So thanks for touching my heart. Keep working hard, keep doing your best, and hope to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.